Cynthia Demone. I've been the science teacher here for many years, going on 18 years, a little over. And I have had quite an interesting career here. I've worked in the science department teaching biology, chemistry, anatomy and physiology, and even at honors level for the chemistry and the biology. And I've also taught, one year I taught a geology class. And over the years I have also had an environmental club that I sponsor, and we go to the ward cleanups through the city of Riverside. And there's an organization called Keep Riverside Clean and Beautiful where we do this volunteer work to help clean up a certain section of the city, go around, pick up trash, even do graffiti removal by painting over it, a lot of things like that. And actually I've also worked with another club on campus in that regard, with Miss Monica Royalty and the National Honor Society, which is a big group where students have to be initiated and do all kinds of community service for that as well. Some of the things that we also have done is we've gone to beach cleanups. We have gone to, we have done projects on campus where we would set up various projects to plant California native plants and others. And that was often in conjunction with a career technical education program. And each year we would enter something called the Clean Campus Competition, run by the Keep Riverside Clean and Beautiful organization, which was, like I said, also part of the ward cleanups, where you go around and clean up the neighborhood. But on our campus, we've done lots of projects, and then they have a competition for it, and they have won awards, such as for the pond that we had on campus. It's currently in transition right now. And you might see some of these awards back here. There's several of them for different years. There's others around the campus. And then, like one down here is the private school one. And this one that they gave us was the second place award, but they gave us this big plaque. Out in front of the school, there's also several plaques showing that as a school, we have entered the Clean Campus competition, and it's spearheaded by the G team, or the environmental club. One of the other wonderful awards that we got was this one here, Good Steward Award for graffiti removal. And that was the one I was talking about that had to do with basically going around with the ward cleanups, and we always volunteered to do graffiti removal because kids love working with the paint and doing things like that. So we would volunteer to do that with the environmental club and the National Honor Society doing their community service. And then they surprised us with this award. This was not really anything that is a normal award, but we had fun with that. And that happened while actually they gave us this award while we were still on COVID restrictions, and it was interesting. So we had fun with that. And we've had fun doing things together with National Honor Society also, where we go to the wetlands and do projects there where we plant plants or weed plants. We've done things like at the Crystal Cove State Park, where we would do work, where we go to citizen science Saturdays, where you could go and investigate how many birds are in this place that's a restored natural environment called, I can't remember the name, but it's a beautiful restored area with birds and all kinds of wildlife and native plants. And I think that's about it. I think the reason why I have this though here is because I teach anatomy and physiology. Still has some labels on it. And like I said, various awards for the environmental club, but mostly the focus is to do community service. And some of the other things that I've done over the years, one of them is STEM projects, science, technology, engineering, and math, but we added in an A for arts, so STEAM projects. And one of the projects that I've really enjoyed doing with the students over the years is to have them make a scale model of a Native American housing from their tribe, or whichever one they wish, if they're in a group of their tribe's type of native housing that used to be done. And they had lots of fun with that. I might provide a picture for the newsletter for that. Thank you very much, and have a great day.